very warm welcome to RefLimbs. This is Farooq Hussain. In the Koha library system or any other integrated library system, we use ISBN to sync the cover image from the source site. By source site, I mean Amazon.com or Google Jacket or whatever the source site you use. We sync the cover image through the ISBN to display on your OPAC or maybe on your staff interface. But what if the ISBN is not available with your resource, or maybe you put the wrong format when you catalog your source? Or maybe the ISBN is not valid on the source site. In all such cases, the book cover or the cover image may not display on the OPAC and the staff interface. So here we have two options. Option number one is to scan the cover image and upload directly with the resource. And the option number two is to create a custom cover image, and that may display with all the resources where ISBN is not available. So you can use any site, any source, any tool to create a custom cover image. You can use Paint, or you can use any other tool, or like Canva or any other tool. You can create a custom cover image. When you complete the custom cover image with your library name or the logo, and then you can actually upload that custom cover image on your website. If you do not have a website, or you cannot actually create a custom cover image, so you can actually copy the any blank cover image, and that you can display with the resources available on your catalog. Okay, so let me show you one example here. Here's my website actually, where I created this custom cover image. I have created this custom cover image, and I upload this custom cover image on my website. So what you need to do, you need to copy image address, and you need to go at the administration of Koha library system and the system preferences, where you can see the enhanced content. And in enhanced content, you will find the local or remote cover images. So where you can allow the custom cover images show and OPAC custom cover images show, and there you can put the URL of your image, and you can save this. Now you will see, let me refresh. See, and this will also display here. I just use my logo here and the name, and that's the address of my catalog, and that's it. So it will display and it will not look odd. Okay. Or if you have no website option, or you actually can't work with the custom cover image, so you can use any blank template. Like, you need to write blank book cover design, and there you can see this is one of the design, and you can actually copy this. Copy image address, and instead of your custom cover image, you can use the blank cover image here. Okay, and similar, you can actually work with the cover flow plugin. So let me show you one here. There you can see this one. So this way, actually, we can work with the custom cover image, and that is one of the best options to display your your remote cover images with all the resources where you cannot actually put the ISBN. So thank you very much for watching RefLimps. This is Farooq Hussain. Keep watching RefLimps and take care of yourself.